Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Mathematics. So once again I'm going to discuss about Sutra 2, and in the previous two videos we'll see how uh, we can multiply single digit number, and this time we are going to do two digit multiplication using the Sutra 2, okay, of the Vedic Mathematics. So what we have to do is, let's assume that we are multiplying 99 with 95. Okay, so what we have to do is we need to take 100 as the base. So when we are doing multiplication with a single digit, the 10 is our nearest base, but when you do multiplication with the help of with two digits, then you have to choose base as 100. Okay, and so first thing here to write down the number and the difference between the number and the base. So 99 and the difference is just 1, so you have to write -1 if the number is less than 100. If this 99 is less than 100, you should write a negative sign and the difference value. If the number is less than 100, which is 95, then you write 95 and you write the difference, which is 5, and then use a negative sign. Okay, now like a single digit number, you have to do a cross subtraction. So 95 minus 1 gives you the answer 94. Similarly, you have to do a vertical multiplication. So 5 into 1 gives you 5. Now the question is, if you write a single digit, you won't get the right answer, because each of the number, when you divide the answer, you get two parts, one first number and second number. But this is not a single digit multiplication, this is two digit multiplication. So you have to have 4 places, 1, 2, 3 and 4 places. So 1, 2 is available, you have to add a 0 here, and then you will get 4 places. Write down the answer 0, 5, and write this number 9, 4. Okay, so what we got here is, we got the answer. Let's verify the answer once. Let's open up the calculator and verify the answer. So I'm going to go 99 into 95, and the answer is 9405, which is same. Okay, so this is something we tried, and this number is less than what you call 100. But what if the numbers are more than 100? So in this case, you will use the second method, just like your single digit multiplication. Before that, let me just remove this. Okay, if you want to know how single digit multiplication take place in Vedic mathematics, watch my previous video, so it will be clear for you. Okay, so what I am going to do is, I am going to multiply 111 into 103. Okay, and we'll find out the solution. So once again, the base is going to be 100, but this time I got more than my base. I got numbers that are more than my base, so I am going to write the difference. First write the number, and then you write plus and the difference, which is 11. Similarly, I am going to write the number 103, write plus and the difference. Okay, This plus is because we are actually getting number difference which is greater than the base number, that is why. Okay, and now it's time to do a cross subtraction. No, not subtraction, but addition, because we got a plus sign here. So if you have thought about subtracting, then you will get a wrong answer. Okay, so 114 is the first number, and the second number as usual multiply the in the vertical direction. So 11 into 3 will give me 33. Okay, so my two parts are over. So this part is 33 and the other part is 114. Okay, this way you can easily get the answer. And so let me just clear this out, and its numbers are 111 multiplied by 103. So friends, you can see that the numbers are correct, the answer is correct. I got 11433 as a solution. Okay, so now let's look at a number. Let's do a multiplication where this number exceed more than 2 digit. Okay, what if this is 133? So what can we do in such a situation? So that is what we are going to find out. Okay, in the third example I'll show you what we can do when you get a greater number, more than 3, so we'll find out what we can do about it. So once again, let me take some example this time, what number I should take. Okay, so I should take a number where my balance is something more than 10, so that I can get a 3-digit number. So I should take 88 as one number. So 88 and 100 minus 88 is going to be 12. Yes, and similarly once again I'll do the same thing. I'll use the same number again, take 88 as the answer number, and then 12. And you know why I've written negative 12? Because it is base less than the base, the number is less than the base. Okay, so now what I have to do is multiply in this direction, in vertical direction. So 12 into 12 square is 100 and 144 is the answer. And what about 88 into 88? Well, I'm sorry, 88 minus 12. So this part is a subtraction, you know that this is a subtraction. So 88 minus 12 will give you how much? So 8 minus 2 give me 6, 8 minus 1 give me 7. Yes, so 7 and 6. So it doesn't look right, because I got 2 place here, 44, and then one spare number, and then this 6. So what I have to do is I have to make some changes. Okay, so this number, third number, which is the 100 place, this number will add to this one. So this one becomes 77, and these two remain same. Okay, these two will remain same. This is my answer. Okay, let's check it. So 88 into 88, 7744. Okay, so whenever you get a 3-digit number like 1, 1, 1, 2, okay, only 2 number is represent your second number, and the one part will go in this side to the first number, and you add it. Okay, in this way you get some answers. Okay, so let's check another example. So what about 88. First of all, let me clear this. It's too messy. Let's clear this. So this time I'm going to take 88 into 92. Okay, so I'm just taking any random number, and 88 I'm going to write here minus because 12 because it's less than, difference is 12, and then minus because number is less than the base 100, and then 92 and 92 and 100 has a difference of -8. Okay, so still I'm not getting any still I'm not getting the one which I like. I need to get 3-digit numbers, so I have to subtract it. I need something like 91. I have to change this to 91. Okay, this one I have to change it to 91, otherwise I won't get a 3-digit number for the second part. So this will become 9. I have to make it this as 9. Okay, now this will become 9. Now I'll get a 3-digit number. So if I do, what I mean to say is, if I do a cross multiplication, 12 9s are 108. Okay, and this part 91 minus 88 minus 9, 88 minus 9 is going to be 8 9 79, I think. Yeah, it's going to be 79. But the answer is not this one. No, answer is not correct because they got 3 number here. So this number I have to take it here and add it. So 79 plus 1 is equal to 80. This is my first number, and 08 is my second number. So 08. So it's 8008. Let's verify this. So 88 into 91 and 8008. So I got the right answer. So friends, I hope you learned something in this video, and in the next video I'll talk about mixed numbers. Okay, so right now you see only positive and only negative. What if one of them is greater than the base number and another one is less than the base number? So these kind of mixed number we'll try in the next video, and learn more of the Vedic mathematics. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, thank you very much.